or something like a Mac. Your nigga one, it ain't no coming back. Rat tat 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 tat. Y'all only for the cat. I'm killing when I'm steady speaking facts. Tricks wanna step to Shay, or then they get played. Cause they bitch made, told a nigga switch.
Good morning. Hair is still a little wonky, but I'm gonna spray it down. So, take this tripod down here with me. Getting ready for brunch with the cousins. It's cousins brunch day. So I'm excited about that. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be getting ready. I still have like my toes to do. I have to of course fix my hair, do my makeup, pick what I'm wearing. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick. After I do my makeup, I'll come back so I can show you guys what I'm wearing or what I decided to wear to brunch. It's really cold outside today, so yeah. That's just that on that. It's cold. So I'm just picking out jewelry right now from my jewelry drawer. My room is kind of messy now because I got stuff everywhere, but I think these are the earrings that I'm gonna wear because these are really giving brunch. So this is the outfit. Like I said, it's kind of chilly outside, so I'm wearing pants, but I'm still a little, they're little mesh, little flowy pants, and these are literally swimming suit pants. But they're giving what they're supposed to give. So yeah, that's that. Just picking out some jewelry, just basic gold jewelry to put on. I still have to rub some lotion on me. Still have to rub some lotion on these feet too. My feet is covered up, so it really don't matter, but just in case they pop out, you know, I don't want nobody to be shocked. So I did my toes here at home. They look so cute. I'm not gonna put on nails because I will be going to work tomorrow, so I do not want to put any nails on my fingers. Just wearing my wedding ring. I don't think I need any other rings on. And I think a necklace would be doing too much, so I'm not gonna wear a necklace. I'm not gonna wear a necklace. Just gonna put on probably just this bracelet or these two bracelets. Yeah, let's do that. We'll do 2 bracelets. I don't have very much jewelry. I need to get some more, but I just recently bought like some silver jewelry because I have a lot of gold, but I don't have a lot of silver. So yeah.
You need to wear your contacts. Do you want me to go back or not?
No, it's alright. I'll take my glasses off when I need to take pictures. Yeah.
Keisha got some. Keisha got some.
Yeah.
KK. KK.
She said she got. What's the matter?
No, I'm just saying. Mine is. I'm just Mine, yeah, that's how much with mine about. Yeah, I looked at the TV. Girl, I opened up my MCM for perfume. That shit smell like cologne.
What's wrong with smell like cologne?
Ain't no wrong with smell like cologne, but I'm just saying, like, it smells like cologne. And Lamar better not use my shit either. The MCM. It's like a warm smell.
This is giving spring.
Yeah, that's giving spring. That's why I put my Gucci over it. Because
well, I'm wearing Burberry mixed with this oil that my dad gave me. And then this right here. So this is what I'm...
Oh, yeah. What? Instead of shine, or what is that?
Okay, so guys, this is my outfit. I just put on some white mules. You guys will see the full outfit and what it's given on Instagram. So follow me on Instagram if you want to see. Yeah, so I just straightened up my room just a little bit because yeah, that's that on that. Okay, all right guys, so I'm gonna see you guys when I get to brunch. I think you guys seen enough of me like getting together, putting myself together, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off and I'll see you guys when we get to brunch. Missy. Hey, talking about your earrings. It's fucking cute.
Y'all looking at something like a true player. A girl told me that a man that can dance might could possibly get down with the tool in his pants. Now I'm a lady, let me see it vibrate. And when it's over, I hear you right now. Hold on. What do you say though? What do you say? Hold on. Show you that thing that she be doing with her now. Hey! She's my wife. Don't make me happy. We got to pick. Can we go back one time? What's happening? DJ Mike in the building, baby. This is Brunch each and every What's up, man, Daniel? My guy right there, goddamn. Bye-bye.
Or something like a Mac.